Hi guys, it's Toys Galaxy. It's Hello Kitty time. This is really my favorite character. Yes, I love Hello Kitty. And today we're going to be doing the Hello Kitty rescue set. This is recommended for ages 4 and above. This set has an emergency helicopter and also an emergency ambulance. It has over 15 pieces. This looks like an awesome set. I can't wait to open it. Let's take a look at the box. Ooh, look at that. It says here this is fully equipped doctor's kit. It also transforms to an emergency room. It has removable figure and stretcher, and the windshield opens up. Oh, are you ready? I am very ready to open this rescue set. Let's go. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Toys Galaxy. Come on, open! We have our open set. Let's take a look at them one by one. Prescription pad. We have a door with curtain for privacy. An IV pole or an IV stand. We have x-ray pictures. We have instruments of doctors. This square one is a helipad where the helicopter will land. This one is a stretcher that has a rope that will hang in our emergency helicopter. And this is our helicopter. Look at that. It has a heart with those lines to measure our heart. That's Hello Kitty. And there's this ribbon on the propeller. And that's Kitty on the front and the same on this side. And this one opens up from the front. And this is our ambulance. This is the front. You can see there's the Hello Kitty face, a driver's seat and a passenger seat. And look at the wheels. It even has the Hello Kitty ribbon. We're gonna open up the roof so we can see what's inside. And then the middle part here is actually the stairs. And if you put this all the way down, there you go. The stairs go up to the floor and they can climb up here going inside. And there's a picture of medical equipment and other things needed inside an emergency ambulance. Let's introduce our Hello Kitty characters. We have, I believe these are nurses. This is our Hello Kitty. I think she's going on a vacation with her bear. So I want you guys to stay for the full video and we're gonna see what happens to the bear. Why he has a boo-boo. Oh, poor bear. And we also have our Dr. Kitty. She has a stethoscope and a lab coat. And this is our pilot for our helicopter. I'm so excited to go to the lake. Come on, little bear, follow me. Follow me, let's go to the lake. I'm coming. Oh. Oh, what happened? Oh no, let me help you get out. Oh, I can't help him. I can't get him out. I need to call for emergency help. I need to call an ambulance or somebody to help us. My friend is stuck. Thank you for coming so quick. Please help my friend. Yes, we're here to help your friend. She might be hurt. We may need to get her to the hospital. Oh no. Do you really have to bring her to the hospital? Yes, we do. Looks like she hurt herself, so the helicopter is here so we can bring her to the hospital. Okay. Hi, I'm Dr. Kitty. And are you the friend of the bear? Yes, I am the friend of the bear. How is she doing? Is she better? Have you done any tests on her? Yes, we did an x-ray, and thankfully everything looks good. She didn't fracture or break any bone, so you guys are ready to go home. Yay! I'm so happy. I was so scared. I thought she got hurt. Thank you, doctor, for everything. Yes, but she might have some pain, so we're gonna write some prescription for pain medication. So this is her prescription if in case she has any pain. Let me see my friend. I want to be sure she's really okay. How are you, Bear? I was so worried about you. I'm very happy that the doctor said that you are good to go and everything looks great. So we can go home now. And I think the ambulance people are willing to bring us home. Let's go. Hi, I hope you guys like this video as much as we did. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Toys Galaxy. Until the next unboxing, bye-bye. I'm well now. Thank you for everything.